My name's Marc Chapman. I run the HI Principia fund, which invests in European equities on a long-short basis. In terms of the current environment, we think that entering the summer, the market risk premium was too low, and so we decided to deleverage the fund, reduce our gross exposure, and adopt a more cautious stance. Since then, the European market has declined about 4%, and the fund has been quite stable. And so we've subsequently been adding more individual names and increasing the exposure again to take advantage of the setback. In particular, in August, it was names on the long side which were both the positive and negative contributors to the return. So on the long side, we would highlight Principia Immobilien as a good long idea. It's a real estate company in Germany, has exposure to asset management in real estate and advisory services. They have a very strong balance sheet, and they're going to utilize that to acquire other asset management companies in real estate throughout Europe. This will mean that the earnings development over the next few years exceeds what the market thinks. A different example would be Cambion in the UK, which is a healthcare operator, which has been restructuring. It's involved in mental health care facilities, and gradually it's been improving its occupancy and driving a strong improvement in returns and share price. The negative contributors again came from the long side. Soitec is one company we'd mention. It's a semiconductor company in France which makes a wafer called FD-SOI, which is a new type of wafer for the consumer electronics industry. The stock price performed very well during the first half, and we took some profits. Since the summer, the stock price has declined because of the weak dollar and also because of a sell-off in mid-caps in Europe. And since then, we've been adding to our position. In August, the stock declined, but we now think there's good mid-term upside to our target price. In general, in the long book, we think there's between 35 and 40% upside over 2 years to our targets, and in the short book, about 10% downside. So we think the fund is in a good position to make a return in line with its long-term target. Thank you.